because it says R4.
R4 is in its rectangle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now hold it tight with your thumb and bend those over a little bit so it stays put.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Alright, now adjust your lead.
Like this much, right?
Yeah, worked last time.
Did it? Didn't it? Down. There. Wait, no. There we go.
Okay, now you're gonna do that diode.
Yep.
How do you know which way the diode goes? Because it has to be a right way.
It's the dark ring and the big white ring next to each other.
So the marking is, it's fatter on the board, so you know where the black ring of the diode goes. So it's in the right way. Let me get a close-up of that once you've pushed it in. Nice, alright.
Prickly, isn't it?
Yeah, the more you solder, the more prickly it gets on that solder side.
Wow, that is really soft. It's a really soft wire, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a soft metal.
Make sure it's not like that. Let's try that. Careful. Let's go his on. Let go his on. Let's go his on. I'll get a C4.
And make sure and put the long wire in the plus. Do you see the plus?
Yep. Whoa. Bless the child that's got his own. God bless the child that's got his own. That's got his own. That's got his own.
You clip it from the whole other side. Just don't kill the components.
I'm don't give me the components.
What I mean is, put this way out here and clip it from here. Clip it there. That a girl.
Nope.
Ah, don't even clip it then. Just solder it.
Nope.
Just know that it's going to kind of jump around a little bit when you try to solder it unclipped. See, it's a little bit tough when it's not clipped. You have to chase it around a bit. There you go.
I did it.
You did it. Okay, now what is RV2? Well, wait. Start at RV1. RV1 is a what? A 50K?
I'll have to find a 50K.
All right, so find the 50K.
Here's a 50K.
And that's a 50K trimmer?
Yep.
Yep.
7K. RV1. Where's RV1? RV1.
Found it?
Mhm.
And then it shows like how it mounts. Because it's got 3 pegs, right?
Mhm.
So it goes in there with 3 pegs.
Oops. Oops. These are the ones that you have to hold this for.
Well, yeah, put it upside down and then hold it in place there like that.
And it'll just do it.
Yeah, and it just kind of does its deal.
Oops. This thing came out.
And you'll just solder it into place. I'll hold this for you. Just don't kill me.
I won't. Don't worry.
I do worry. But not about this.
Oh, don't.
I won't. If you tell me not to, I won't.
Oh.
Just don't touch anything with a gun that you don't want to heat up.
Ugh. There.
You got it?
There.
How's it look?
Well, you don't have to hold it, but 2 of the holes didn't get it.
Alright.
Hope I don't burn off my hair.
There you go. There you go. Juicy.
There we go. Okay.
What's the next trimmer? Is it a 50 or what, 500 or what?
It's 500K. RV2. Whoop. RV2. Oh, yep, there. Oh, yep, that.
So we built the electronic cricket,
These. These.
and what does it do? What does the electronic cricket do?
When it's dark, it makes a sound. And it's like a joke. Like at night, it like turns on, and then when you turn off your lights, it goes off, and then when you turn on your lights, you're like, what's that? And you can't find it because it's not making a sound anymore. And if you find it, you'll have no idea what it is.
It's true. I have no idea what it is. So let's hear it again. So people turn their lights off at night.
And hear that.
And then they turn their
When
lights
they
on.
turn on, it's not there anymore.
It's not there anymore.
It's disappeared.
It's pretty funny. So it's a little joke, a little practical joke item.
Okay, that doesn't work.
Ooh, what's that? Turn the light on. I don't hear it anymore.
Go back to sleep.
I think your mom would like that.
Yeah,
Put that in her bedroom.
she'd love that.
Pretty fun. Electronic cricket.
Chirp, 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 chirp.